As long as it's clear.
Ah ouais.
So he speaks English. You seem very excited.
Santa speaks every language.
He's scared. Oh, don't start, please.
Santa speaks every. Santa speaks every language.
Ja. Frozen Elsa, Frozen Anna, Hello Kitty, Barbie, Bratz, well, sleeping very well, and listen Mama, Papa. Check.
Anna,
You talk to Santa. Tell Santa what you want for Christmas.
And now Christmas is coming, and Christmas time you stay in your home.
yeah.
And outside you can see reindeers and husky dogs. Okay.
No, say bye to Santa.
Okay. And what is your home? Okay. Say cheese. Check. Merci. Bon voyage.
From magazine Hors, Frontières, Outborder in French.
What is your home city in France?
Near to Strasbourg.
Near Strasbourg.
Is a north to the France.
And how many days here in Finland for you?
For work, only one week. We must go in the north to the finish. We arrive. There was 1 hour approximately.
Okay.
And we go directly in the north. But we want to stop in your office because it's the most famous office to the real Santa Claus.
Yeah. Oh, and are you going today up to the north?
Yes, to the north now.
Which place to see?
Inari.
Ah, Inari.
Inari Lake.
Okay.
And after we continue in a different park to the north.
Yes. I think that there is about 15, 10 centimeters snow.
Yes, yes, it's cold.
Okay, have a nice time here in Finland.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Because you spent over.
Okay, baby, no? Doesn't.
Allô? Salut! Ça va?
There's the photos of you guys, and we also have the visit with Sandra on a video.
Bonjour,